Hello, my friends. My name is Richard Weberg, for those of you who do not know me. And in today's video, I am going to be showing you a site that I literally get network marketing leads from every single day. This site is free to use as well as having some paid options, and it's very easy to do. You don't need a bunch of experience to use a site. And so, what you do is I'll leave a link below this video in the description. Just click on more and you will be able to join the site through my link. And then once you join, get started for free, click on it. You'll fill in some details and it'll probably like walk you through setting up your a free ad. And what you want to do is skip that part in the beginning because you don't know yet how the site works in the inside. So just join, and there's like a place you click and say, don't. They tell you don't worry about it. You can set this up after you get inside your members area. So I'm going to log in. It'll literally take you a minute to join the site. And you'll see I'm in my back office here. And the site, I really like this site because it's very clean, very easy to use, and plus it gives you some stats and all that kind of stuff. But I'm just going to show you some basic functions because I've done other videos on this site and show people how to use it more in depth. But it's not complicated at all. Basically, when you join, there's something called Discover. And what you'll want to do is activate your account. As a free, member, meaning you joined for free, never bought any what are called coins. And that doesn't mean crypto. It just means coins. That's what they call it. What are used to show your ads. And I'll show you what that means. But you must do what's called discover other people's ads. So you click on this discover button and these ads will show. Now, this is a type of a traffic exchange. Now, a lot of people, especially some big gurus who think they're gurus actually, but they're not, will frown upon traffic exchange type sites. Now, I've used them for 20 years. And there's a reason why I've used them for 20 years is because they actually work when they're the right type. And this site is very unique, meaning it's not a forced view of your site. You see somebody's ad and then you click next post. And in doing so, you will see different people's ads. Now, when somebody is interested, there are things that are linked. And so you can click on the link, click on the image, and I'll show you how easy that is to do. But then people are clicking through on their own, meaning they are interested in your ad. And sometimes people think, well, why would I advertise on a site where other people are advertising and we're advertising to each other? Because believe it or not, it works very well. Otherwise, I would not get leads and signups and I would stop using Scale Up. I wouldn't be using it. I wouldn't do this video because there's no point in it. I use this site, my son uses this site, part of our marketing team uses this site because of the fact that it actually works. We only use things that are proven to get leads and sales. And if you're in network marketing and you're looking to get leads and sales, you got to realize that some people are in different opportunities. Like people who join the site, maybe in affiliate marketing, maybe in this, maybe in that. And maybe they're at the point where they're doing some advertising and they're fed up. They don't like what they're doing anymore and they're ready for a change, or they want to add something to what they're doing. These are targeted people. Now think about this. These are targeted people who are in network marketing, who are in MLM, who are in business opportunities, who are in affiliate marketing. So when you get people from this site that join your network marketing opportunity, they are already partially trained. They already know how to digitally market online, at least somewhat. So they're not like a complete newbie, who knows nothing at all what to do. They understand the premise of you must advertise what you have, otherwise you're never going to get leads and sales. So this type of site works very well. And so there are two ways to use it, but discovering post, because eventually what will happen is you keep clicking discover post or discover other people's ads and you'll get rewarded with coins. And that's what are used to give you views of your ad. And so you click this until you are awarded coins. And usually it can be very random. It's, they have a type of algorithm, so to speak, of so many clicks get you so many coins, because they keep the speed of the site going so that there's always ads to view. So sometimes you may get 300 coins, sometimes you may get 900 coins. It all depends on the site that day. But there are thousands of users of this site, literally thousands. And I'm talking over 10,000 users of this site. So this is a lot of good quality targeted advertising. And you can use it as a free member and get all the coins you want just by clicking this, and you'll see how it works when you get awarded free coins. And those coins then are applied to your ads. Now, how you set up an ad is, I'll let that finish loading, is you go to post right here, or there's a plus right here where it says active post. I do have active post on here. The reason it's saying that right this second is because you can see my coins at the current moment is 0, because it used up the last of my coins that I had in here. So you either click on that, or you can click on over here and go to post, and you'll see active, active, active. But it's not green. When it's green, it means you have coins applied to it and it's running. I don't have coins applied to this because my coin count is at 0 right this second. So I'm going to show you an ad, but anyway, that's what you do. When I click edit on this, you'll see one of my ads for Great Life Worldwide. This is a network marketing opportunity that I am currently building, and we are building very big. And we use every advertising source that we can get our hands on, and especially ones that work like this one, because it does produce leads every single day. And we get teammates from this ad site. It works great. Now, your ad, you can see you can have emojis in it to make it colorful. You put a link in it and you'll see that it'll be clickable. See, here's my lead capture page. It looks like this. And believe me, in this site, you want to be collecting leads. You want a lead capture page of some kind. Like our company, we're very fortunate with Great Life Worldwide. They understand digital marketing, and they provide us with lead capture pages where when somebody takes the free tour and wants to learn more, they become part of our leads. And in our back office, where there's a CSV file, we can download it. We can put it in an autoresponder if we want. We get notifications of their information. We can reach out and email them on our own, one by one. And the company follows up with our leads on our behalf. So if your company doesn't provide you with a lead capture page, you should use your own or have some method of getting leads. And fortunately, this site actually has a feature called landing pages, where you can collect leads back here from the site when they're interested. So you can explore that. I haven't, because I don't have a need to use it, because my company has a lead capture system. So you can see in an ad, you browse, you can put an image, so whatever image you want. There are many AI sites that can help you make images, or you take an image that you found that goes kind of along with your opportunity or whatever, or you make one yourself in Canva. Very simple to do. You can put in text, you can put in emojis, and you put a link here, and it'll be clickable in the ad when it's shown. And you also put a link here for the image to be clickable, because you want the image to be clickable, and you should always put an image in the ad, because the saying, an image is worth 1,000 words, is true. An image can speak volumes, so make sure you put an image in your ad. It's as simple as browsing and uploading a photo just like you would to Facebook or anything else. And the images will be clickable. And when people see your ad, they click on it and they like it, they will become a lead. People can message each other back here. I'll show you that in a sec. But once you have everything in here, you can even country target. If your opportunity isn't available worldwide, like Great Life Worldwide is ours, well, then you can specify the countries. And then you just name it anything. That's optional, because that's for you, what your ad post is, because you can have more than one. And maybe you do some split testing and put more than one ad in here. So then you just click submit. And the last thing I want to show you about that is they give you a nice format as well that you can understand how to do an ad back here and maybe give it a little breakup like how I've done. And that's how I learned to do it, is when I go to my dashboard and I go like to create a new ad, you'll see that right here is where I could start typing and putting in emojis or whatever. And then you'll see these little things. If you are unsure of something, a lot of these things will tell you what you can do. Click to insert a sample template text that will help you start creating an engaging post. So you just click on it. See, now it's giving you an example. Want a different one? Click it again. See, it's giving you easy ways to get started putting in your ad. And like I said, always paste and copy and paste your full link in there with the HTTPS. But you can keep clicking on that, and there's different little formats, templates that will help you. Then you browse, like I told you, put your link in again, your destination link, like your lead capture page, like we have. And once you do that, again, target and then hit, post. And then they'll manually prove it. And then you're off to the races. Now you either go to discover, yes, leave because I'm not creating a post, and keep discovering and getting coins and do it manually because you have time and you need to get lots of coins, because, just a couple's not going to get you leads. And that's the price you pay when it comes to free traffic. Free traffic takes your time and more work. Paid traffic leverages money to get you results while you're sleeping. And that's the huge difference. So in our marketing, we do both free and paid advertising. We have been free from jobs, me and my son, for years. So for us, we have oodles of time. We have time freedom. So we utilize both free and paid methods because we constantly are scaling our income bigger and bigger. I mean, why wouldn't we? We enjoy doing this stuff, and we enjoy doing network marketing, and it is so simple once you have different ways to produce leads like this that there's no reason why a person wouldn't do this, but you can just keep clicking and eventually you get rewarded with coins. Now you can also buy them. If you don't have time, you have an ad budget, and we do that as well. We do buy additional coins to make this flow on autopilot. All you do is go to your wallet and you click on purchase coins. This button right here, and you can see I still have some money left in here. So you'd click on that, purchase coins, and you can see you can get a lot of coins, 40,000 coins for $20, 200,000 for 50, 1 million for $170, 5 million for 650 if you got a big budget. I don't recommend going that high until you have your ads, that you've split tested a couple versions of your ad and you're getting leads. And once you're doing that, then I make a bigger purchase. That's what you do with all advertising. I would start with 40 coins and purchase it for $20 because you're going to get a lot of ad views. And then I would surf it on top of that to understand the site, understand the ads that appeal. That's how anybody does it who's in marketing. You actually learn by doing. And, keep blinders on. Don't be joining everything you see. That's where a lot of people make mistakes. Use the site to advertise and, help your business grow. But again, start small. You can scale it from there. My son has a permanently upgraded account in here because they also have ad plans, and you can get up to so many coins daily, blah, blah, blah. And he's done one of these plans where I just tend to turn money into lots of coins because I also, surf this thing for some coins, and both those combinations get me leads and sales from the site for Great Life. And my son, like I said, has an ad plan, and you can choose that as well. And so this gives you a host of options of free marketing or paid marketing, the ability to split test your ads, the ability to create a landing page back here to collect leads back here, versus if your company doesn't provide any method of storing leads, whatever, and you don't want to go get an autoresponder and go through all that kind of setup, at least you can have leads back here that you can then take those and reach out, because you can message people back here too. And people message us. See? They see your ads, people message you. You can message them back and forth. And that's just another way underneath everybody's ad. See this message thing? You can message people. And in doing so, you can do reach out, or people will reach out to you if they have any questions about, hey, I seen your program, looks good. I'm interested in joining. Could you answer some questions for me? Yep. And then you go back and forth, and then they join. It's a great site. I hope you see the value in it and how you can use it. And I hope this video helps you. But other than that, I will leave a link to Great Life Worldwide. If you're at all interested in an opportunity that you don't have yourself and you need one, we are heavily involved in network marketing, and we are building a huge team and absolutely crushing it. We'd love to have you join our team. But if not, you got your own thing, you're sold on it, you're doing well, here's a great site to start helping you scale that into leads every day and getting more signups for your business. Other than that, my friends, we'll see you on another video. Have a great day.